Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unsubscribe from Humble Monthly. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. This is going to be an updated tutorial from my previous version. As it turns out, Humble Bundle just updated their site, moved around some things. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to unsubscribe from your Humble Monthly. So the first thing you want to do is come to the Humble Bundle page and you want to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, what we're going to be doing is clicking on our account on the top right, and we're going to open this little drop down tab right here. We're going to be clicking on the settings tab, and then we should see all the settings for our Humble Bundle. And right underneath our email, we should see this Humble Monthly tab here, and underneath this we can see Manage My Subscription. Once we're at Manage My Subscription, we should see the current Humble Monthly offers. We also have the option to pay now to get the options straight away, as when you're subscribed, it only takes your money out during the end of the month. But what we're going to do here is scroll down to the very bottom, and at the very bottom of this, there should be a small tab here called Manage Your Subscription. If we click this open, we should see our current subscription tab. Now, Humble Bundle has moved this around a bit, so you actually have to come down to the very bottom to find it. But at the bottom here, we can see our current tab. We can see Change My Plan, Cancel My Plan. We can see Billing History, or we can see all other information over here on the left. To cancel your plan, all you want to do is click Cancel My Plan here. And when you get to this page, it's going to say, before you cancel, do you want to pause for a month? And we're going to have some extra options down here at the bottom to click back to my subscription settings, remind me later, pause for a month, or cancel subscription. To continue with your subscription canceling, all you want to do is click Cancel Subscription. Then Humble may offer you a small discount for your next month. You have the option to stick around for $3 off if you wish, or you can click No thanks, I want to cancel my subscription. If we click this, it'll say before you finish, it'll ask for some more information about it, and then finally all you need to do is click Cancel Subscription and your subscription will be cancelled. Anyway guys, it's that easy to cancel your subscription on Humble Monthly. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.